Hello everybody, Sipati here and welcome to the Gemophiles Microbiology in a Flash. In today's video, we will talk about the two types of bacterial cell wall structure used to classify bacteria into gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The cell wall of bacteria is important for maintaining cell shape. It protects cells from osmotic lysis and provides overall integrity to the cells. Bacterial cell walls contain peptidoglycan. The arrangement of peptidoglycan within bacterial cell walls distinguishes gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Peptidoglycan is composed of glycan strands cross-linked to one another by short peptides. The glycan strands are made up of two glucose derivatives, an acetylglucosamine and an acetylmuramic acid. Typically, the peptides are made of 4 amino acids: L-alanine, D-glutamine, L-lysine or mesodiaminopimelic acid, and D-alanine. Cross-linking of the glycan strands can occur directly or through a peptide bridge. In gram-positive bacteria, the cell walls are largely composed of peptidoglycan reinforced by teichoic acids, which are glycopolymers. Teichoic acids can also be anchored to the plasma membrane, in which case will be referred to as lipoteichoic acids. A thick layer of peptidoglycan surrounds the plasma membrane in gram-positive bacteria. Gram-negative bacterial cell walls, on the other hand, have a thin peptidoglycan layer sandwiched between two cell membranes. The outer membrane is made up of a lipid bilayer, similar to the plasma membrane, fatty acids, and integral proteins which are embedded within the membrane. This outer membrane has large structures known as lipopolysaccharides, which protect the cell from harmful chemical substances. The peptidoglycan layer lies within the periplasmic space, which is the space between the plasma membrane and the outer membrane in gram-negative bacteria. It is connected to the outer membrane by a lipoprotein known as bronze lipoprotein, which is embedded within the outer membrane, providing additional support and structural integrity to the cells. Those are the major differences between gram-positive and gram-negative cell wall structures. That's it for today. For more flash videos like this one, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time on the Gemophile.